seems to be some question on one of the forums about what fuses control turn signals. This is a 75. I'll check the date in just a minute, the build date on the bin tag or ID tag. But anyway, I got the turn signal turned on. I got a right tip turn signal turned on. Ignition is obviously in the on position. Now, my guess is there's one that says flasher right here. 1, 2, 3, fourth one up. So we get this off without destroying anything. 1, 2. So the wild guess here is this guy. I'm feeling if he feels warm at all. Yeah, it feels a little bit warm. Let's see what happens. And the flashing stops. So that's definitely that. I'll put it back in. It's the fourth one up from the bottom, which is ready, set, back in, and we're rolling. I'm curious if that's the same one that does the hazard. I assume it is. Let's turn that off. Let's turn the hazards on. You should see the hazards flashing. You can see the hazards are flashing now. I got both sides going. Definitely a different fuse, different thing, because I don't hear the same noise. Okay, is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Pull this guy up. He's out. Oh, nope. Hazards have a different fuse circuit. Huh. So if you're wondering, let's see what this thing says. Park, flasher, light. That's interesting. I wonder which one controls that. Huh. Isn't that peculiar? I really expected that to work. Well, now we got to know. So which one controls that? Still flashing, not that one. I'm going to take a wild shot in the dark. That's going to be stopped. It should go to the other side. Ready, set. Nope, stop light. That's always on. I think the flash is always on too. Yeah, so the flash is always on, ignition off. So is the horn. So let's try the horn. Third one down. Nope. Huh, I won't see ignition. Let's see what's we have here. Fuel gauge, lights, wiper. We just did the horn. No, I did the horn was the third one down. Shoot. This is an elimination, right? Fourth. Top. Nope. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm not going to waste more time. If the question is about which flashers they are, I'm not sure. I'll go back and look at the FSM. But as far as the turn signals, it was definitely the one that says flasher right there. Fourth one on this side. 1, 2, 3, up there. Fourth one. Okay. And I'll comment. I think it's April 75 is a build date. More later. Thanks.